بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to science class. Students, open your book page 6. First we will revise our previous lecture, the digestive system. Students, what we had read about the digestive system? We read that the digestive system is a system in which digestion of food occur. Then we read about digestion, that digestion is a process in which food molecules are broken down into small pieces. Then we read that digestive system consists of mouth, food pipe, stomach, liver, small intestine and large intestine. Okay students, now come to our today's lecture. Today our topic is the circulatory system. The circulatory system. Now, what is circulatory system? What is circulatory system? It is a system through which blood circulates in our whole body. It is a system through which blood circulates in our whole body. And students, heart is an important organ in circulatory system. Heart is an important organ in circulatory system. Let's start our reading. The circulatory system. The circulatory system. Blood is pumped by the heart to all parts of the body. Blood is pumped by the heart to all parts of the body. As heart is an important organ in circulatory system, so heart pump blood to all parts of the body. That is why it is called the important organ in circulatory system. The blood circulates around the body through veins and arteries. The blood circulates mean flow around the body through veins and arteries. The blood flows in our whole body through veins and arteries, and vein and arteries are combinedly called blood vessels. Veins and arteries are combinedly called blood vessels. Students, look at this picture. ये क्या है? ये हार्ट है एंड इसमें ये जो ब्लू नज़र आ रहा है ये क्या है? ये वीन्स है और इस वीन्स में क्या होता है? गंदा खून होता है. गंदा खून मतलब जिसमें ऑक्सीजन ना हो. तो वीन्स हमारे पूरे बॉडी से ये गंदा खून कलेक्ट करके कहाँ लाता है? हार्ट की तरफ लेके आता है. वीन्स हमारे पूरे बॉडी से ये गंदा खून कलेक्ट करके हार्ट की तरफ ले आता है. इसके अलावा ये जो रेड कलर नज़र आ रहा है ये क्या है? ये आर्टरीज़ है. इसमें साफ़ खून होता है. साफ़ खून का मतलब जिसमें ऑक्सीजन होता है. आर्टरीज़ का फंक्शन है कि ये हार्ट से ब्लड को पूरे बॉडी की तरफ लाता है. हार्ट से पूरे बॉडी की तरफ लाता है. So what is the function of veins and arteries? Veins carries blood from body to the heart. Veins carry blood from body to the heart, and arteries carry blood from heart to the body. Arteries carry blood from heart to the body. Now these along with the heart make up the circulatory system. These along with the heart make up the circulatory system. These mean veins and arteries. Veins arteries and heart make a circulatory system, or we can say circulatory system consists of veins, arteries and heart. Students, hope you will understand clearly, but I will give you a short summary of today's lecture. Today we read about circulatory system. That circulatory system is a system in which blood circulates in our whole body. Circulatory system is a system in which blood circulates in our whole body. Then we read that blood flows in our whole body through veins and arteries. And veins and arteries are combinedly called blood vessels. Veins and arteries are combinedly called blood vessels. Then we read the functions of veins and arteries. That veins carry blood from body to the heart and arteries carry blood from heart to the body. Veins carry blood from body to the heart and arteries carry blood from heart to the body. Now come to page 10. Students, your homework is do reading of today's lecture. If you have any questions, you can ask me on WhatsApp. Okay, take care and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.